yesterday details Californians flock to Georgia to aid Democrats in the Senate runoffs there. Dreaming of securing Democrat control of the Senate, residents of California are volunteering to temporarily move to Georgia to help get out the vote for John Ossoff, the pajama boy, and the Reverend Raphael Warnock in the January 5th runoff elections. San Francisco resident Joseph Killian, 38, project manager for a tech company, said, "I just can't sit home and raise money. I got to do more than that." When you look at some of those races where we donated and we didn't win, this is our chance to hopefully go there and fix that. We want to be there. We want to go there. We want to help. Three problems with what the Democrats are doing. One, it is illegal to move to a state just to vote in an election. Did you know that? Number two, it is illegal to encourage somebody to break election law. Did you know that? And number three, there are COVID restrictions in California and New York and other Democrat-run states about travel outside the state. Of course, it doesn't apply to Democrats going to the protest march unless